already forgotten my microphone. An SD card in this. Everything's gonna be uphill. Ooh. We are getting ready to go to Mexico for a quick trip before a bunch of stuff kicks off at work for Roy and I. We booked this trip a week ago, less than a week ago, and it's been an eventful week. Roy got sick, and then I got sick up until like this morning.
She's still sick.
Yeah, I'm still sick. I kept Roy up all last night, coughing. So I feel bad, but
Lies, all lies. She don't feel bad.
Sickness is always better when you have a beach and like tacos, right?
Or maybe a lot of tequila.
That's what I need.
Yeah,
Margaritas. So, but we are going to the Caribbean side of Mexico this time. We're gonna stay in Akumal and kind of work our way exploring from there. We haven't been to this side of Mexico since 2014. We stayed in Cozumel.
Yeah.
And that was a lot of fun snorkeling. So
That's been a minute.
we're staying in Akumal because I heard the sea turtles stay over there. Yeah. So we're gonna try and snorkel with some sea turtles. And Roy's gonna test out a new snorkel mask.
Yep.
Yeah. So, all right.
Fine.
I gotcha. He hasn't been kissing me because I'm sick. Good morning.
As of right now.
We were delayed about 40 minutes, but now we're getting boarded a little bit earlier than they expected, so I'm optimistic. We're supposed to fly into like A26 and fly out at like A32, so I mean that never happens. And we always have bad luck. So I mean we had bad luck, but you know, good luck with it. Good morning. I think we'll make it if we don't have to get de-iced. Hopefully we won't have to.
Excellent.
Have a good one. Okay, we made it. Now we have to hustle because they're already boarding our next flight. Thankfully, we're just like a handful of gates up. We were so close to our new gate that we even got to stop for a bathroom break, thankfully, because I'm on the window. He's so sweet. He brought me Werther's for my cold.
I brought me Werther's.
Well,
Yeah, he set the bar pretty high.
he's still sweet. I got us the exit row. So lots of leg room for the long-legged guy. I mean, look at that. That's pretty excellent. Ooh. Well, I need a new show, so you let me know. We circled for so long that we would have been there if we had just kept heading towards Cancun. So the app says that we leave at 4 now, which is almost 2 hours from now. I messaged the rental car company, and hopefully they're gonna hold our reservation. I will say that I am forever thankful for WhatsApp. Trying to get a hold of our rental car company, and they had a WhatsApp on there, a number. So that's super handy. I do dislike how WhatsApp makes you add them as a contact before you can message them. That drives me insane. I will deal with it for the good outcome of them holding our rental car reservation. The United app says that we're flying out at 4 p.m., but they're going to board us at 3 p.m. Hopefully we'll get out of here. Mass confusion over here. When we got off the plane, everybody just like scattered like bugs. I'm not sure why, but hopefully we get on soon. In the future, this is going to be a fun story. All right, we're gonna board in about 3 minutes. I feel like third time is the charm.
Sure.
So when we get there, I already messaged the rental car place, so they know that we're coming late. We're gonna get through. God, my brain's not working. I'm tired. We're gonna get through customs, get our car, hit the road, and then we have an hour and a half drive to Acoma. We're gonna earn our tacos tonight.
Yeah.
And luckily, I don't actually have to drive. Roy said that he would.
We never got in writing.
Okay, here we go. We're the third and fourth people on. Oh my gosh. I should have eaten something, dang it. I was so hell-bent on being the rule follower and the listener because those gals were so quiet. Everybody would come up and say, what'd they say? What? They said this. Oh, I'm hopeful one of our bags is on that cart. Now for him to just chunk it on the thing. That poor bag. It used to be yellow. I look at Roy's and his is still nice. Mine is not. Mine's like more scarred.
We've arrived. We hope you enjoy your time wherever your travels take you. If this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off.
I'm tired. And we're gonna have to go through the line of hawkers here in a minute. But first, ATM. Yep. The Alamo people waited for us and very thankful. I don't know if they waited for us, but I sent them a lot of WhatsApps and they responded, so we're gonna get our car and then drive an hour and a half. It's gonna be late by the time we get there.
Okay, I'll nap in the car on the way.
I know you won't. While you're driving? Thanks. I don't know if I'm ready for this. No gracias, no gracias, no gracias. Oof. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, this is nothing like it was last time. This cake. Ah, right there. Oh. It's been a long day. Yeah, the last time we flew into this airport, or even Puerto Vallarta, it was wild how many people were out here screaming, trying to get you to go with them.
I don't remember it. It was a long time ago.
Yeah, I remember it. So, yeah, this was a lot better. And the shuttle was right where the gal said, right behind Margaritaville.
Lead the way.
Okay, here we go. Ooh.
You want me to take that one?
No, that was an adventure trying to find this place. They gave us a Google Maps link and it took us, like, tried to take us down to the beach. Completely wrong. So we came by this poor security guard like twice. I finally called his supervisor and they just Googled it for us. So we were looking for building number 202 La Selva in addition to the Google link. Now, the building number is 181. Yeah, 181. So, but we found it. We got in. Ugh. There are 8 million bugs here. Roy found a leaf bug, some sort of leaf bug, and he found a spider, and he found a cricket, and then he found a praying mantis. Ugh. All right.
All on our level.
Now to go up the stairs. We're at 202. Well, there's our speeder.
The leaf bug is gone.
Yeah.
All the noise.
Our leaf bug is gone. It's a little bit spooky. So, welcome home. Whoop. Okay. Home again, home again. Jiggity jig. Holy moly. So we've already been in and turned on all the lights because, you know, you do your walkthrough, of course. Yeah, it's really cute. It's a 2-bedroom. It's a little bit more expensive than I was wanting to spend, but I mean, it's really nice and it smells really good in here. Like,
There's a lot of stuff right around here too.
yeah. We were looking for somewhere that was pretty much right on the beach, bars nearby, and just right down the street there's like a gas station that doesn't sell gas. Bodega. Is it instant? I wouldn't think so. It's a coffee machine. This is the second bedroom. Pretty identical bathroom. Sink, which is weird. If Roy and I wanted to, we could just have our own bedrooms this trip. If it doesn't cool down quick, we might. And then the living room. Oh, okay. Look at that. So cute. There's a creepy man in that room. So we could jump out?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Try to land in the tree.
I'm actually really tickled that we're on the second floor because I don't like hearing people tromp around because I am an early riser and I do the tromping. I mean, look at me, look at me. I am the captain now. We'll just start for the night.
Yeah, there's nothing open because it's 11 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock.
Huh?
10. Is it 11?
No, it's 11.
Ugh,
It's been
okay.
an hour trying to.
But there's not even any beer?
No. That's where I was at too. I was like,
Do you have
first night.
We could have stopped at that gas. I asked you if you wanted to stop at that gas station.
I assumed that there had been something going on. And it is.
We could go out and try this all again.
The disco was open. We could go get beers down there.
Ugh. I'd rather starve tonight, honestly. Well, guys, we're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna rummage around my boobs for my chapstick. But it's been a long, long day.
We should just go to the lobby for the.
One beer, please.
No, because this is their buffet in the place. Like, but I mean that's their bread station for the breakfast.
Very good. Okay. Good night. I'm gonna sleep like a rock. Bye.